Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time or first day of watching my program, you are highly welcome. But I want you to consider hitting that red button that says subscribe. Beside it is a notification bell. The essence of that bell is for you to be informed whenever I upload a new video. And subscribing to this wonderful channel will also make you a member of this great channel. Please like this video, share it with your friends, families, colleagues. Leave your comment down below. Thank you for doing that. So guys, today's video is about the nullification of Emeka Ihedioha. That is the governor of Imo State. So if you are from Imo State, this video is for you. I am from Imo State. That is why I'm making this video. I am not interested in politics, but because this is my state, that is why I am trying to share this information for you. The Supreme Court on Monday nullified the election of Emeka Ihedioha of the People's Democratic Party (PDP) as the governor of Imo State. The Apex Court declared Hope Uzodimma of the All Progressive Congress (APC) as the winner of the March 9 governorship election in the state. In the unanimous judgment of the 7-members panel, read by Justice Kudrat Kekerewa Okun, the Apex Court agreed that results in 388 polling units were unlawful, excluded during the collection of the final governorship election result in Imo State. Justice Kekere Okun said, with the result from the 388 polling units added, Mr. Uzodimma pulled a majority of the lawful votes and ought to have been declared the winner of the election by the Independent National Election Commission (INEC). Consequently, she voided and set aside the declaration of Mr. Ihedioha as the winner of the 2019 governorship election. The court ordered that the certificate of return wrongly or unlawfully issued to Mr. Ihedioha be immediately withdrawn by the Independent National Election Commission (INEC) and a fresh one be issued to Mr. Uzodimma as the elected governor. Vote to the appellant, Senator Hope Uzodimma, and the APC from 388 polling units were wrongly excluded from scores ascribed to the applicant to them. It is thereby ordered that the applicant vote from 388 polling units unlawfully excluded from the apparent vote declared shall be added, and that the first respondent, Emeka Ihedioha, was not duly elected by a majority of lawful votes cast at the said election. His return as the elected governor of Imo State is hereby declared null and void and accordingly set aside. It is hereby declared that the first appellant, Mr. Uzodimma, holds the majority of lawful votes cast at the governorship election held in Imo State on March 9, 2019. The judge said, Mr. Uzodimma has satisfied the mandatory constitutional requirement. It is hereby declared that the first appellant, Senator Hope Uzodimma, is the winner of the governorship of Imo State held on March 2019. The certificate issued to the first defendant, Mr. Ihedioha, is hereby withdrawn. It is hereby ordered that the certificate of return shall be issued to the first appellant, Senator Hope Uzodimma, for witting, and he should be sworn in as the governor of Imo State, she ruled. The different appellants asked the Court of Appeal to void the election of Mr. Ihedioha on ground that he did not obtain the constitutional 1/4 of the vote in at least 2/3 of the second local government areas of the state, in line with Section 179 of the Constitution. In their various submission by their council, they asked the court to set aside the decision of the tribunal and declare them the winner of the March 9 governorship election, or the alternative order the Independent National Election Commission (INEC) to conduct a fresh election into the office of the governor of Imo State. The three-member panel of the tribunal had, in a unanimous decision declared on September 21st, heard that Mr. Ihedioha was lawfully declared the winner of the governorship election by INEC. The panel, led by Justice Malami Dangodija, had in the judgment dismissed Mesa Aroromi Nwosu and Uzodimma's petition for lacking in merit on the ground that they failed to prove the allegation made in their petition. Apart from claims that Mr. Ihedioha did not obtain the constitutional one-quarter of the vote in at least two-thirds of the 27 local government area of the Imo State. In line with the provision of the law, the petitioner had also alleged substantial non-compliance with the Electional Act and guidelines, including other irregularities. But the tribunal in its judgment held that the case of the petitioner was unmeritorious because they failed to call relevant witnesses and that evidence of witnesses called were based on hearsay. Wow. I will stop here. So you don't expect me to say everything that the judge says, but the most important thing is that you have gotten the information that Ihedioha has been removed as the governor of Imo State and Uzodimma emerges the new governor of Imo State. And I also want to use this medium to react to what people has been saying concerning what Father Mbaka said, that Father Mbaka made a prophecy that Uzodimma will be the governor of Imo State. This is politics. Politics and church are not the same. Anybody can say what they want. Everybody has the right to say whatever he or she wants. If Father Mbaka says so, it is his opinion or mind. But my own, I am not interested in who wins. What I need or what I am interested is I want a good governor, a good person that will come and rebrand Imo State, especially the feeder roads. Imo State has many feeder roads that needs to be constructed. I only want somebody who will just emerge in Imo State as a governor and reconstruct the road, the schools, and put everything in order. I am not interested in the personality or whom the person might be. What I am interested is that Imo State should have a good governor, good governance that can see to the affairs of the people of the city. So people that are saying that Father Mbaka said this, Father Mbaka's revelation has come to pass, Father Mbaka's prophecy have come to pass, Father Mbaka's wishes has come to pass. This is a politics. Father Mbaka is a reverend father, and everything he's saying in his church should remain in his church. Politics is an institution, while the church is a different institution. So let people stop all this Father Mbaka's revelation has come to pass. Whatever he said in his church has nothing to do in politics. Everybody has the right to say whatever he or she wins. The most important thing is that justice should be carried out. If it is actually really that Uzodimma is the rightful person that won the election, then he should be sworn in. The most, what I'm interested here, like I said earlier, is that I need a good governor, that can rebrand Imo State, that can make Imo State to look as like a beautiful city that it is. If you go to Imo State now, how Imo State has many feeder roads, everything is tattered. Is it the environment? Nothing to compare with. Why, you just need somebody that will come to Imo State and rebrand it and put it the way that it's supposed to be. I am not interested in who wins. If you have been watching my program and you have not yet subscribed, I beg of you, please subscribe, share this video, like this video, leave your comment down below, and make yourself a member of this family. Thanks. Bye bye.